So अभिनव वीडियो तो उन बत्ता अरे मम्मी तो बारी सपोर्ट मान दे रहे अरे तो कितना वीडियो तो तू जजेस ना कुल दादा हम परंतु का so what do you sir.
Wait a minute first. Hi, Abhinav.
Hi.
Why did you participate in this particular thing, in this competition?
There's no special reason, you know. I thought it's worth enough to go in.
And then
I think I have the ability to be Mr. Mangalore.
you have the ability. And why do you think you have that?
Because you have to tell me, sir. Because how to tell?
No, but you have taken a first step and you said, I will win it. And a lot of people will say that they want to, come in to compete. That's a good thing. I'm not saying it's wrong. Being positive is very nice. So I want to know what made you think that you have that?
Because I'm in full time. I'll be in my college as well as in my office.
So what is that that made you
I
join
have the
this?
talent of all round things.
Like,
I'm a drummer. I sing. I handle my house business. I go to college. My studies.
what makes you think you'll win it? Why did you join? You said you won't win it.
Winning is not all. No, no.
This time you said-
Participating. I just wanted to participate. That's all.
Okay, change the statement. Okay, I think you're one of the. I mean, is he one of the youngest person?
Yeah, I'm youngest.
Yeah, so that's a confidence level which has got you here. That's very nice. That's really good that you have participated at such a young age. And I see your mother is supporting a lot, and she's very proud of you. That also I can say. That's a very good thing. You need support from your parents also. And I think you have a good personality. You got a good height. And I think it's a good decision that you have taken to participate over here.
Thank
Yeah,
you.
thank you.
Hi Abhinav.
Hi, ma'am.
How are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
You're the youngest contestant, so I'm going to be very kind to you, okay?
Okay.
Who's your favorite hero?
Amitabh Bachchan.
Amitabh Bachchan. You really find him very handsome?
I almost look like him.
Yeah, correct. I was going to say that.
Okay.
That when he was in his initial stage, I just thought about him when you were walking around.
More than the favorite hero, I wanted to know who you find really good looking.
Good looking. All are good looking, you know. That's why they're
Choose one. I have a question based on that.
Shah Rukh.
Okay. If God came to you and asked you, I'd give you looks like Shah Rukh or intelligence, what would you choose?
I choose intelligence
Intelligence over looks? Why is that?
because looks does not matter. It's the intelligence that matters.
Mm-hmm.
Intelligence can change the world, not the looks.
Very true, very well.
What is your objective to win this competition? Why you want to win? What do you want to do after this? Let's say you win Mr. Mangalore.
Actually, my goal is to become a software programmer, and I'm going to go in that stream itself. But it's good, no, to be spreaded with talents. I just want to show people that I have talent. I have these things going on. That's all.
What do you do if in case you win it?
Party.
That's all. Okay.
Well, I have a different vision to serve people. I see these young people,
Young,
working on-
even you're young. Huh? I mean, how young?
In the sense,
How
children,
young?
children,
Children, okay.
children are walking on the road without education. I want to educate them.
And how are we going to achieve that?
If people recognize me, uh,
I recognize you.
in a sense, let the people in the world know me, like what I am, what are my talents, like that. Go on.
Okay. Okay. I think you just joined for the sake of it. You don't have any focus on your aims. You must have a focus on what you want to do. Coming and joining a competition is very good. The first level is very good because you're young, so you're confident and joined it. And it's also I like that you said I look something like Amitabh Bachchan. That's also a bold statement to make. That's very nice. So your confidence level is very good. That's very important. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Thanks.
So those were impressive answers, and let's move on to the next round, that is speak and speak.
That's okay. Yeah.
A big one. India is one of the world's largest democracy, but have suffered greatly due to international terrorism. And if you become India's foreign minister, how to explain this to the world? Okay, I'll repeat it to you again. India is one of the world's largest democracy, but have suffered greatly due to international terrorism. And if you become India's foreign minister, how to explain this to the world? You wanted to read? India is one of the world's largest democracy, okay, but have suffered greatly due to international terrorism. And if you become India's foreign minister, how to explain this to the world?
You understood the question?
Because I'm not into politics.
You don't have to be in politics.
I should think like a politician now.
Everybody thinks like a politician. Just now you said, I will do more.
I don't.
The question is asked: is there is a connectivity to what you want to do actually? Serve the poor people and all. You should connect that. It's not about politics. The question. I think there is a relation.
Like if I am a foreign minister, then we can't blame anyone because of the terrorism, but we can keep a friendly relationship with the neighboring countries so that we don't start up any wars.
What will you tell the people, to the other people? That's what the question is, no?
Don't degrade other countries in the sense by movie or any other media, no? They get down, like they are thinking like that, they are thinking like that. That's the main reason happens that, wars happen and few misunderstandings too. So I'll ask people, don't do that.
You're very confident in the video, but on stage you're totally like misinterpreting.
That was a wrong question for me, that's why.
No, it's not about that question. I'm saying right from the word go ahead,
Yeah. Should we change the question for you?
I think, yeah.
Okay.
No, what we'll do is she will ask you a question. Let's see.
Okay, fine.
Okay. Tell us about your positive qualities.
I'm a quick learner. I learn things very fast. I have that hunger to learn things. I want to learn many things as possible. Presently, I have 3-4 websites going on of my own. Well, I have talent. Like I dance, I sing. Well, yeah, there are many.
Come on, Abhinav, I was being kind to you. I gave you a very easy question.
I'm a programmer.
Because you're the youngest.
I like C.
The first question was the problem, and we give a simple one. And we also want to know how you're going to make use of your ability.
I like making friends. I'll mingle up with people very fast. Very kind, people like talking to me because there'll be a smile on their face when they talk to me. They feel as if I'm a family member, like that. That's my plus points.
Very good. Okay. Thank you.
I want some more answers from you. What about a career and everything? How are you going to cook up your plus points related to your career? What do you have?
Well, as my interest is computer field, I'm doing my BCA. Future, I'm going to do MCA and related studies.
Okay. Thanks.
Abhinav, thanks a lot and all the best.